5 premium jean brands are charging up to $350 for basic stretch denim. Meanwhile, 3 smarter options use real Japanese selvage woven on vintage shuttle looms, a process that takes 10 times longer and makes jeans that last 20% longer for a lot less money. This is the Miyata moment for denim. The cheaper pair often has the better technology. Today on the Style Auditor, we're counting down all 8, starting with the worst offenders. Let's see where your money is really going. Number 5. Calvin Klein jeans. Calvin Klein sits under the giant PVH umbrella with over 1,000 shared factories across nearly 40 countries. Same production lines, same stretch denim, just swap the label. A $98 pair costs them roughly $41 to make. The rest? Pure branding markup. You're not buying better jeans, you're buying a different logo. Number 4. True Religion. True Religion rode the hype wave, charging over $300 with flashy stitching and logos, but the denim was always basic stretch from Bangladesh factories, no different from mass market pairs. The brand filed for bankruptcy twice, once in 2017, again in 2020. Now those same jeans sit in outlets for $79. The denim didn't change. The price finally caught up to reality. Number 3. G-Star Raw. G-Star talks a big game about raw denim and craftsmanship, but their own supplier list shows heavy production in Bangladesh, Vietnam, and China. Most raw jeans are actually pre-washed stretch blends with no real selvage edge. Marketing says artisanal. The factories say commodity. Number 2. 7 for All Mankind. 7 for All Mankind built its name on LA craftsmanship. Then it got sold to VF Corp for $775 million, and later to Delta Galil, a company famous for cheap private label underwear and socks. Production moved overseas. Today, you're paying $220 to $260 for lightweight stretch denim that looks and feels like pairs selling for half the price. The LA story is long gone. Number 1. Diesel. Diesel takes the crown. They push Italian mystique, but most jeans come from Tunisia, Morocco, and Bangladesh. Manufacturing cost? Around $10 to $18 per pair. They sell for $225 or more. That's up to 18 markup. The distressing adds almost nothing. You're paying for the illusion, not the denim. Now, here's where things get interesting. Number 3. The Unbranded Brand. For just $99, you get jeans made in Canada from 14.5-ounce Japanese selvage, rope-dyed and woven on vintage shuttle looms. No marketing tax, no hype, just better fabric that outlasts stretch denim. Number 2. Gustin. Gustin cuts out the middleman with pre-order crowdfunding. No overproduction waste. Japanese selvage from Okayama mills at a fraction of big brand prices, $99 to $199. Real transparency, real value. Number 1. Brave Star Selvedge. Brave Star delivers the ultimate proof. Made in Los Angeles from heavyweight 21-ounce Japanese selvage on vintage looms, nearly twice as heavy as most premium stretch jeans. They retail for $118 to $168, less than half what the hype brands charge. Yet independent tests show they last significantly longer. They even won the Indigo Invitational for raw denim quality. No illusion, just superior fabric. Across all 8, one truth hits hard. Material beats marketing every time. The real revolution? Better Japanese selvage jeans that cost less and last longer. This is the Miyata moment for denim. The superior technology is hiding in the smarter, cheaper options. Stop overpaying for logos. Start paying for fabric that actually performs. Which brand surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I'm Charlie from the Style Auditor. Hit like and subscribe for more audits that save you money.